Metro businesses begin reopening. Workers are being asked to return to their jobs and consumers are invited to start shopping again. The change has many people experiencing a new level of uncertainty. One of our goals with the Rebound Kansas City is to provide you answers to help manage the stress of this unusual time. 41 Action News anchor Cynthia Newsom talked with a mental health expert for some solutions.
From restaurants to small businesses, families to education, healthcare, and the economy, there is precious little in life that COVID-19 has not impacted, and that includes people's emotions.
I'd say if you're having trouble navigating this, do not give yourself a hard time.
Linda L. Moore is a licensed psychologist in Kansas City. She owns her own practice. In a Zoom conversation about stress during COVID-19, Dr. Moore said talking about your frustrations and fears helps reduce the mental and emotional burden of stress. And if you're afraid to talk about it,
put on paper what you're thinking and feeling that you can't get yourself, to say out loud, and then see if writing it down kind of releases some of the stress or the tension of it, and maybe you can talk to the person you need to talk to, and if not, let them read it.
With businesses closing and people losing their jobs, the financial stress combined with the unknown of what life will be like from now on can trigger anxiety and anger.
If we've got limited resources this month or the next 2 or 3 months, do we agree on how to allocate those and what the priorities are? And probably some arguments, but differences are okay. Differences about what we should be doing are okay if we can get them out on the table and discuss them.
Exercising, meditating, and learning how to talk with each other is good for adults and children.
Everybody has a different need, and if they don't learn to express those different needs, like leave me alone or play with me or pay attention to me, then everything kind of explodes.
If you get to the point where you're struggling to think or function, Dr. Moore said it's okay to call a mental health professional and ask them if it's time for you to get professional help. Cynthia Newsom, 41 Action News.